Your hybrid is different. The way you protect it should be too. And while other brands may say their products work just fine on hybrids, Valvoline has engineered an entire lineup of solutions specifically designed to meet the unique needs of hybrid vehicles. A motor oil with exclusive trap and lock technology to protect against water contamination. A transmission fluid with copper care technology to protect electrical systems, maximizing efficiency and helping to prevent corrosion that can result in transmission failure. And an antifreeze designed for the increased demands of your hybrid's coolant system. Keep your hybrid protected with a portfolio of intelligent solutions engineered specifically for hybrid vehicles. Only from Valvoline.